Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mamta Bhattam from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In this video lecture, we will be providing you course description about AKTU, subject Engineering Chemistry, and subject code is BAS 102. So the complete syllabus is divided into 5 units, and very first unit is atomic and molecular structure. In this unit, we will cover the molecular orbitals, postulates of molecular orbital theory, and we will also discuss the applications of MOT, that is homonuclear and heteronuclear diatomic molecules. And after that, we will discuss about the what is liquid crystal, what are the applications of liquid crystals and classification. As you know, all liquid crystals we are using in thermography, LCDs, traffic lights, etc. In graphite and fullerene, what is graphite, what is fullerene? Fullerene is also called as Buckminster fullerene, and graphite is allotrope of carbon. These are the allotrope of carbon. In this topic, we will discuss about the structure and applications. Nanomaterials, what are the nanomaterials? How to prepare the nanomaterials? What are the characteristics of nanomaterials? And after that, we will discuss the applications of nanomaterial, carbon nanotubes, and MRI. In MRI, we can use the spions. What is green chemistry? With the help of green chemistry, we will discuss what are the principles and importance of green synthesis. What are the green chemicals? And we will prepare the adipic acid and paracetamol by two methods. Number one is conventional method and second is green route methods. And after that, we will discuss about the environmental impact of green chemistry on society. The complete playlist of lecture from Unit 1 will be delivered by Dr. Neelam Yadav. And now coming to the second unit, that is spectroscopic techniques and applications. Spectroscopic techniques के through हम structure determinations, bonds, functional group, we can determine within a few seconds. In this unit, we will discuss about what is a spectroscopy, what is UV visible spectroscopy, what is IR spectroscopy, like have you heard the fingerprints? In this lecture, we will discuss about the IR spectroscopy. What is NMR, nuclear magnetic resonance, and some numericals. And after that, we will discuss about the stereochemistry. What is optical isomerism? What is geometrical isomerism? And what are the chiral drugs? Chiral drugs means RS forms. We will discuss here. And we will discuss about the thalidomides, carbon, and brophene. The complete playlist will be delivered by Dr. Shweta Sharma. And next unit is unit 3rd, electrochemistry and batteries. Electrochemistry, it is a physical branch of chemistry. In this unit, we will cover the cells, galvanic cells, Nernst equation, and batteries, combination of cell that is called as battery. How many types of battery? Two types of battery. One is primary and secondary battery. And next, we will discuss about the corrosion, types of corrosion, causes of corrosion, and how to prevent the corrosion. And we will discuss about the corrosion issues in specific industries like power generation, chemical processing industry, oil and gas industry, and pulp and paper industries. Lastly, in this unit, we will discuss about the cement. What are the constituents of cements? How to manufacture of cement, hardening and setting of cement, decay of cements, and plaster of Paris. The complete playlist of lecture will be delivered by Dr. Varun Mohan. Now coming to the unit 4, that is water technology and fuel and combustion. In this unit, we will cover about the sources, impurities of water, hardness of water, types of hardness, degree of hardness, why we express hardness in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent, what are the boiler troubles, what are the water softening process. In water softening process, we will discuss about the zeolite process, ion exchange process, reverse osmosis, and some numericals. And with the help of this, we can calculate the hardness and alkalinity. Fuel and combustion. In this topic, we will cover the definition of fuel, classification, characteristics of good fuel, calorific value, gross calorific value, and net calorific value. And after that, we will also discuss about the caloric value determination by bomb calorimeter, theoretical calculation of calorific value by Dulong's formula, ranking of coal, analysis of coal by the two methods, proximate and ultimate analysis, and some numerical problems. And lastly, in this unit, we will discuss about the biogas, composition of biogas, production, advantages, application, and their environmental impact on society. And this unit will be covered by Dr. Mamta Gautam. And this is the last unit, unit 5, that is material chemistry, that called as polymers. What is polymers? Classification of polymers, polymerization process, thermosetting and thermoplastic polymers, polymer blends, polymer composites. And after that, we will discuss about the conducting polymer. As you know, polymers are bad conductor of electricity, but recent years research research reported the conducting polymers. Some conducting polymer conduct electricity, like polyaniline, polypyrrole, polythiophene. Biodegradable polymer, decomposition by the bacteria in absence of air, that is called as biodegradable polymer. Preparation properties and industrial applications, or we can say environmental impact of the preparation of Teflon, lucite, bakelite, Kevlar, Dacron, thiocol, and nylon. And after that, we will discuss about the synthetic rubbers, Buna N and Buna S, and their environmental impact on society. And we will also discuss about the specialty polymers. Lastly, in this unit, we will discuss about the organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds are those compounds which contain carbon metal bonds. In this organometallic compound, we will discuss about the Grignard reagent and lithium aluminum hydride. The complete playlist of lectures from Unit 5 will be delivered by Dr. Neha Singh. These are the references. Basically, engineering chemistry is very important for competitive exams point of view. So these are the references where we'll be preparing the content of engineering chemistry. All the content related to engineering chemistry will be available on ABES CATL channel. Thank you all.